Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here, and today we are finishing up with the amendments. We're focusing on 22 through 27. Yesterday, you learned about amendments 11 through 21. Most of these amendments, 22 through 27, deal with the presidency somehow, or referencing or expanding Americans' right to vote. So like yesterday, you will view the short video and you may notice it's the same one from yesterday. So you're going to start the video at 350 or around 350. So what you will learn, like yesterday, but we're focusing on amendments 22 through 27, what those amendments mean and what you will do. You'll watch the video and answer the quiz questions that go along with it. Okay? If you have any questions, please ask your teachers or visit the teacher during office hours. Thanks and have a great day.